gon' let a nigga know that she a hood baby, she ain't back and forth with them hoes. I wish you would, baby, and she keep a blunt. If she can't find a lighter, she gon' light it on the kitchen stove. Yeah, yo, ayy. She got the keys to a nigga's soul, yo. All of her friends with a smoke.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamai. I think it's like too bright on class. I'm gonna go here. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamai Snow. Okay, today I'm going to be doing a wig, putting on a wig. I'm getting ready for my first day of college. Basically, just putting on a wig and whatnot. Excuse the wig because I did wear it. It was a party that I went to go to. And your girl couldn't just put on an old wig, you feel me? It was an HBCU party. I just had to like put my new wig on. But the wig is by Kiss. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's by Kiss Love and it's human hair or whatnot. It's deep wave, 26 inch. And the wig is gonna be rough because I did wear it once. And when I put it on, I was kind of in a rush. But it did come in a bag and wrapped up in a black thing, like a little net or whatnot. And it came in a purple bag, and it came with a wig band. Everything has been used. Yes, it was worn out. I don't care because it's so stiff and put this wig on. But I did get the wig off Amazon, and the wig was $150 something. I can't remember because I did get it when it was Amazon Prime sale or Amazon Prime Day, whatever it was. But yeah, that's when I got the wig. So it was on sale. Now it should be about like $160 or $170 something. It really wasn't a big difference. I think it's like $160 something, but it's not a big difference. So yeah, and the wig is in a little bad condition right now. This is what it's looking like or whatnot, you feel me? But we about to, you know, fix this joker up. And I'm not really gonna be doing as much talking in this video because I was watching a movie. I just wanted to show you how I put my wig on. Let's just get into the video whatnot. My wig cap is gonna be used, so no, it's not brand new. I ain't got time to go to the store this night, so we're just gonna do what it do. So
trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Now everybody now.
5 in the morning.
y'all see, yeah. So we can use these because why not?
I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Praise to the one you were lying. I've been wondering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't.
Alright, now that I rubbed it on there, we're gonna be using, this is real old, I don't know how long I had it, but we're gonna be using, what is it? Oh, we're gonna be using Boho, you feel me? Yeah, Boho. I had the white and blue one, but was it white and black? I don't know, it was like white and blue, but people told me not to use that no more. But if I have to, I'm still gonna use it because I bought it. So I'm not doing a ball cap method because I don't feel like doing all that.
Babe, the noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to step by, but I'm burning.
Come on.
My mind is right. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting
I can't see right here, so I'm putting out some music because shit.
to be on
Now everybody
my
now.
mind. Running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. When it tries to take me out.
This dry. I'm gonna take my wig. And y'all, I really fucked up. Like I was in a rush because this little part, as you can look closely, you see I was plucking the shit out out there. And I put a bald spot in it. I never had a bald spot like in my weeds before because I be knowing what I be doing. But like I was so in a rush because I thought I was gonna be late. So I was just plucking the shit out of it, like with my hands at it, not even with like a tweezer. With my hands. I ain't never did nothing like this. Well, I use my hands before the plug, but like putting a bald spot in my wig, I only wore it once. At this point, I don't even know. Like, if that made me feel like I didn't even know how to do wigs anymore because I put a freaking bald spot in my wig. That's okay. We're gonna fix it though. Anyways, now that I got this combed out, as y'all can tell, like the hair is. Look at this. The hair, like this. It's some good ass hair. Like, it's some real good hair. Like, no cap. Even though the fuck, you know what, I'm gonna stop. But on the inside, you got 3 combs. You got 1, 2, and 3 on that side. I don't know if y'all can see it. Anyways, and you got adjustable scraps. And yeah, you gotta cut that off in the back. Like extra lace in the back, so you gotta cut it off. Or do whatever you do it. But I cut mine off. But anyways, yeah, since it's like this, I just take my tinted lace spray and spray it on here. I usually spray it on both, but I'm not gonna do it this time. I'm just gonna spray it on here. So yeah. Now that I did that, I'm gonna sit and let this dry. I'm only gonna go over it once because I'm really trying to go with this wig on and not have to deal with this no more. So I'm only sprayed it once. So I'm gonna let it sit while I finish putting my glue in.
I need to clean my mind now. I really need to clean my mind now. I really need my now.
Alright, anyways, now that this is kind of halfway dry, I'm just gonna basically put it on here and like try to see where I need to place it. That's alright. I think that's right.
Oh yeah. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Stand me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste.
Come on.
The other one price that you cannot
Come on,
fix.
come on.
This is the piece that you cannot buy.
Come on.
Find it away when you cannot see.
Come on.
Now that I got it placed, I'm gonna put the blow dryer on the sides for a little bit more. Or will I might just go and place it on there. I don't know, put the blow dryer on it for a little bit more and let it settle down and get like tacky and then put it on it. You feel me?
With this system we cannot break. I need to find relief. My mind is right. All these thoughts are going. I need to give up my baby. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. When it's time to break me up. While you were I really need my love. I really need to clean my love. I really need your love. I need to clean my mind out. I really need your love. I really need to clean my love. I really need your love, boy. Set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, to set me free.
Trade with the dreams.
Now I need
Come
to
on,
find
trade with the dreams.
Take me to
Come
the
on,
open
trade with the
side.
dreams.
Now I need
Come
to
on,
free my
trade with the
mind.
dreams. Now everybody now.
With the dread, with the dread.
Now I done put the lace on and stuff. Can y'all see the curl pattern? Like, let me turn it down because I don't think y'all can see it. Okay. Can y'all, I don't know if y'all can see what I see because I'm blind myself. So I can't really tell if y'all can see the curl pattern, but you feel me? The curl pattern is like A1, like I fuck with it. I never had no, like, well, I had a headband curly wig, but I never had like curly hair. And for 150 something, that's just some good hair. And it's long enough that y'all can tell in the mirror. You feel me? But I'm just using water to detangle it. I don't really like to put like a lot of product on my hair because I don't want it to stay like this like all day. Sometimes I want to like dry up and look poofy. So.
Dre, come on.
Talk street art, sarcasm, crash humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, chick for damn, and would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye. Oh man, I wish I could pay more love. These moments in coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell.
I had to charge my thing up so if you see it's a little closer than what it's supposed to, but than what it's supposed to be, which I can see in the mirror as well. But now, oh my gosh, I'm tired as hell. But now, like I said, I'm gonna take this off. I put more glue on it, on the part that wasn't sticking, because I don't think that I really need to cut my lace. But now I'm going to basically take the band off and make me some baby hairs, and this should be like the end result of the overall hairstyle for real. It should be. So let's see. Okay, it ain't bad. It's definitely not bad. But like I said, I'm gonna make some baby hair.
Your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peach colored skies reveal a sunrise. Until we lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could pay love with love. These moments in you were right. Searching, gotta play, searching, gotta talk, searching, sweet dreams. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning.
Got to be glue to lay my baby hair down.
But I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep alright. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. Oh no.
I'm not gonna really touch this like that, but the rest good, so I'm just gonna tie it down and let it sit, and I'll come back tomorrow. Then I'm gonna go behind it with a scarf, and like I said, I'll be back tomorrow or Monday morning or at night for the finishing look. And yeah. I don't think this was the position I had it at last night, or was it? I'm not sure. time, just got a shower and not whoop whoop. So now I'm finna fix it up. Even though I'm not going nowhere today, I'm gonna go and fix it up because I might not have time to do this tomorrow. Okay, it's straight a little now. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit because I don't like the way like my baby hair is, but then again I might just keep it, but I'm finna go ahead and just style this wig or whatnot, and yeah, that's gonna be it. I damn sure don't like this baby hair. This finna go up. Cause what the fuck is that? If I pull it down, you ain't about to see it. Let's see.
Empire, 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 empire.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hey yo, bend that shit.
Alright, now that I done put some water on it. I don't like my door stay open. But now that I put some water on it and stuff, it looks okay. It look alright. I don't see nothing wrong with this shit. I need to cut that out too. I might just leave it on there. Just fold it, yeah. Anyway, now that I did that, I'm gonna take some concealer and put it in my part because I honestly don't think that this wig need plucking because it got like a part. It's just not a real big part.
Break my back, 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 break my back.
Now y'all can't tell me it's like it don't look like I just went to the place and got my hair did. But overall, this is the look. Now that I'm finished, I'm not really gonna do nothing else to it. I believe this is how I'm gonna wear my hair Monday, tomorrow. So yeah, I think this looks okay. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Sure. It's giving, you feel me? And not to talk about this topic, but I'm gonna talk about it because I've been seeing it lately, like on social media a lot. But basically, everybody did really on TikTok for real. But everybody talking about females doing their own hair. and like paying somebody else to do their wig, because y'all gotta keep in mind, depending on where y'all get y'all wigs from, how much y'all spend y'all wigs on, especially if y'all not like a brand ambassador or like, you know, they not just giving you wigs to like advertise or whatnot. But you spend like almost $200 some, or you will spend $200 some on your wig, you know, depending on where you get it from, like I said. And then you gotta turn around and pay somebody to put your wig on. And like nowadays, they're doing not cheap. They paying you like, well, I said they're paying you, they charging you like $200 some just to put your wig on. Like, that bit better be like scalped. That bit better stay on for about a month or whatnot. But it don't, cause wigs are like very much high maintenance. Like, you have to have your hair rectal to a certain way, or they lace will live. Like, but overall, like I said, people been talking about it. My opinion, I know anybody asked my 2 cents, but like I said, my opinion, I feel like if you got the cash, do you? If you want to save your chain, it's honestly not hard for you to do your own hair at all. Like, it really takes nothing. A couple YouTube tutorials or experimenting, you know, and just do your own hair. Because I'm not gonna pay nobody to do me a wig. Like, me personally, I'm not. I'd probably do it like I was about to do it like 2 weeks ago or like 3 weeks ago. Anyways, I was about to do it like last month, but I wasn't in the city for that person to do my hair. So it was just like, and then deep down inside, I really didn't really want to pay nobody to do my hair when I know I can just do my own hair. And most likely it's gonna be better, because my lineup just, the way my like baby hair is, or like my edges is just retarded. It be everywhere. So I just rather do my own hair. But yeah, I just wanted to just put my 2 cents in. I just feel like if you got the money, or if you want to pay somebody to do your hair, then do you. But me on the other hand, I'm gonna do my own. You feel me? Because if I can do it, I'm just gonna do it. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just keep tuning in. Most likely I'm gonna be having wig videos coming through, or not mostly, or hair videos coming through mostly. But yeah, just stay tuned, and yeah, see you on the next video.